broadcasting live across the state, bringing you the magic of Philip P. and Michael, all-star entertainer, good with the women and children. I'm wearing a sports jacket and ripped jeans and glasses. I got soul, baby. I'm funky.
Today, we marched on from Fort Strother after sunrise to a creek village where our troops fought the savages and shot them like dogs.
Honey, it's time for bed.
Hang on a second. I'm killing a squaw. Take that, you big bitch.
No. Him and his commemorative miniatures. My husband was getting so bored working and he didn't have an interest to spend money on. But he's always loved history. Then I heard about grown men who like to play with toy soldiers.
War is so interesting. With commemorative miniatures, I began by faithfully rebuilding the charge of light, and after that, the Trail of Tears. I've built accurate recreations of 15 significant battles, as well as training camps, prisoner of war camps, and forced labor death camps. Now I spend all my time painting toy soldiers and attending conventions.
Commemorative miniatures. They're instantly collectible and a great value. For just 37 monthly payments of $19.99, you get a starter pack allowing you to recreate the battle of your choice. Show your...
Esta ferramenta é especialmente para você que sofre de delay e ping muito alto nas suas gameplays. Baixe agora através do link que deixei na descrição. Faça o seu plano e mude a sua experiência de 0 a 100.
No Ping, a rota mais rápida para a vitória.
Then I kill her.
Commemorative miniatures. They're not toys. They're very valuable, collectible 2 and 3 model armies. This is a hobby you